Hey flowers, it's Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. What's up? How you doing? Hey, welcome. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Alright you guys, so this is going to be a date night Valentine's Day inspired look. You see I got the pink, we got the lashes popping, sis. We got the pink highlights, you know what I'm saying? Because we in the mood, we festive. You feel me? Like, you know, that's what we do. So this is a collab with my big sis Kie Rashon. Woo! Kie is so amazing. She's super duper sweet. I love her. Like, since the moment that we met, we've always clicked. I mean, we'll send each other our messages. If something that happened, I'll send her a message. I'll just be like, girl. And sis already knows what it is. I'm telling you, we are connected. She is so dope here on YouTube. Most of her videos are usually wig reviews, mostly synthetic wig reviews. She got all the prices, all the sizings. She breaks it down for you, sis. Okay? So, Bundle Brenda, if you don't like the synthetic wigs, don't show up. Bundle Brenda is, you know, Kie Rashon friend. Whatever. So make sure you go ahead and check her out. Her video will be linked down below. But before we get into my video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment down below, and share this video with your friends. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Keep on watching and remember to bloom, because the flowers are so blossoming in nature. Hey guys, let's go ahead and get started. You know, I always use my Kypress antioxidant serum, and this is my BH Cosmetics primer. So we're just gonna put that all over the face. We gotta prep the face. We gotta make sure moisturized and primed and all of that good. This is my Beauty Bakerie Cake Mix Foundation. This is the number 13. This is one of my best match foundations, actually. See, look at that. Look, what foundation is this? It's very buildable, it's full coverage, and you always want to apply this particular foundation with a wet beauty blender. Those are my Juvias Place concealers. This is the color 3 for the darker one, and then number 12 for the lighter one for the highlight. So we're just going to go ahead and blend that all the way out, sis. You know how it be. Okay, we're gonna do the contour of the nose. I learned this from actually TaylorMade Jane to kind of like bring that all the way up into the brow. So that's something that I started to do, and I actually love the effect that it gives my contour of my nose. So now I'm just blending out that highlight color, and you want to make sure you do that. One thing about Juvias is that I think this is actually better with a beauty blender or whatever like that, just because there's so much product and it helps like absorb some of it. So you have to make sure you blend very slow if you're blending with brush. That was my Benai banana powder for the highlight setting, and this is my Beauty Bakerie flower powder in brown. I wiped off all that excess powder. Now I'm putting some more powder to go under my eyes, because I do my base and then my eyes. So I'm just want to make sure I don't have, if I have any fallout, it'll get on that powder and you can wipe it right off. So I'm using my LA Girl concealer in the color Golden Beige, I believe, and that is just going to act as a primer for my lids. This is the matte look, and we're going in with the 2 pinks, the red, and that's it. Yeah. So I'm just going to start blending out that pink in my crease first as my kind of like transition color between the lighter pink and the red. So that's what you see me doing now. That is the thing about eyeshadow. You always have to blend. Well, that's the thing about makeup, y'all. Blend. So I go ahead and I take that lighter pink and I put it right on top of that dark pink, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out, and then add more pink to give it more of a gradient kind of look, so it's just not like a slap of color. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but there's a difference. Trust me, there's a difference, y'all. Just try it out. There's a difference. Okay, so now I'm going in with the red. Now I don't want it to be super red. I do still want it to look a little pink, but so I'm trying to blend it out and make sure it looks the way I want it to look. It does still look red, but I don't want it to look like bright red, if that makes any kind of sense. So now we're going in and we're cutting the crease. If you have hooded eyes like me, you want to make sure that you cut your crease above your real crease, so that when you're looking straight ahead, you still see this color. You still see the creasing. Yeah, just a tip, I've done videos on hooded eyes before, but I just wanted to make sure I said that, because I don't think I've said that in a while. So I'm going back in with that pink that I used earlier, and I'm just going to blend that harsh line of the cut crease. So that's what you see me doing right now. All right, and now I'm going in with that light pink, and I'm just putting that all over my lid. Now, one thing I didn't show is, you'll see me actually in a second, I'll grab two of the glitters. I had a pink glitter, and then I had like a pigment, and I was like, which one should I use? So I ended up using the pigment, but I didn't show me actually putting it on. As you can see, I have like the silver pigment on my lid now, because I wasn't sure. I was like literally going back and forth, so I ended up like not filming that. So now I'm contouring with my NW 58 from MAC. Yes, that's my NW58, and this is my Alamar blush trio, and this is the color Toasted, I want to say. So yeah, also talking to my baby. So I'm just going in with lots of blush, because I want this to be very, you know, pinkish, reddish, kind of. I wanted to give you, you know. So this is my Purple Dreams highlighter from Artist Couture. On my skin, it looks very like pinkish to me on my skin tone. So I love this. This is like one of the best highlighters when it comes to like a different color besides just like gold. So this is House of Lashes. These are money. So you put those on, and this is my Ramona Joan Athena Jameson liquid lipstick, and now I'm just going to matte that out. And this is Mellow. Posh is a matte lipstick, and I'm putting that over that brown to give me more of a nudie kind of feel. So I kind of was looking at it, and I'm like, I think we need to gloss it. So we're going to add a little bit of gloss from House of Trillium, and now we're going to set the face with my iconic London Prep Set and Glow. All those big glops, you're just going to dab those out, sis, and that's just that. Fan it out. All right, so we're getting ready. So we're gonna do some hair. Pulled out my hair. Y'all know I've been rocking my red wig, but I'm like, you know what? This week we're gonna do black. We're gonna do classic black this week. You know, I can't wear the same wig for too long. I don't know who. Comment down below if you feel like that. Like, you cannot wear the same wig for too long. That's me. So for the next week or so, we're gonna be black again. So I'm just trying to do a few baby hairs. I don't like to do a lot of baby hairs simply because my forehead is kind of small. So I like to give it a little bit of something because it does look a little bit more realistic, but I don't like to do a lot of baby hairs at all. So right now I'm just putting in some big wand curls. I want these curls to be sloppy. I want them to just be at the end, and then I'm going to just tease them out to give me like a bit of body, a little bit of weight, a little bit of beachy, short beachy look. I hope that makes sense. So like as you see me doing, I'm not really parting. I'm just grabbing little sections and just you know, whatever. So with the bang that's on the top here, I'm going to go ahead and do that. And just a reminder, this hair is from Tinashe Hair. I have a video on this hair. I can actually link that down below because I did make this wig for you guys. So I'll put it in the cards and all of that good. So just going to make sure after I curl everything up, I'm putting my hair wax just to make sure everything's not bumped up, because I did have to wash this wig before I re-wore it right now. So now I'm just kind of giving that kind of bang look. So what you do is just brush the hair back and just kind of push it back forward so it gives that kind of look. So I went ahead and changed my shirt, and we are ready to go out on date night. So this is something that you will wear on Valentine's Day. Make sure you give this a big thumbs up, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and all of that good. I'll see you guys in my next video.